Welcome to the fascinating world of genomics. Genomics is the study of the complete set of DNA or genome in an organism. Unlike genetics, which often focuses on individual genes, genomics looks at all the genes and how they interact with each other in the environment. This field has revolutionized our understanding of biology, health, and disease. In this video, we'll break down the basics of genomics, explore its history, and see how it impacts our daily lives. Let's start by understanding what makes up our genetic blueprint. The core of genomics is DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is a long molecule that contains our unique genetic code. It's like an instruction manual for building and maintaining an organism. Each cell in your body contains DNA, tightly packed in structures called chromosomes. These instructions determine everything from your eye color to how your body responds to diseases. Understanding DNA is the first step in grasping the basics of genomics. Genes are segments of DNA that carry specific instructions for making proteins, which do most of the work in our bodies. These genes are organized on chromosomes, which are thread-like structures found in the nucleus of each cell. Humans typically have 23 pairs of chromosomes. The arrangement and function of these genes are what genomics seeks to understand on a broad scale. One of the most significant milestones in genomics was the Human Genome Project. Launched in 1990, this international effort aimed to map all the genes in human DNA. By 2003, scientists had successfully sequenced the entire human genome, opening the door to countless discoveries in medicine, biology, and genetics. This project showed us just how complex and interconnected our genetic material really is. It's important to distinguish between genomics and genetics. Genetics typically studies individual genes and their roles in inheritance, while genomics looks at the entire genome and how all genes interact. This broader perspective helps scientists understand complex traits and diseases that involve many genes working together, rather than just one. DNA sequencing is the process of determining the exact order of the bases in a DNA molecule. Advances in technology have made sequencing faster and more affordable than ever before. This has allowed researchers to study genomes from many different organisms, leading to breakthroughs in medicine, agriculture, and evolutionary biology. Genomics has transformed medicine by enabling personalized treatments. Doctors can now use genetic information to predict disease risk, choose the best therapies, and even prevent certain conditions. This approach, known as precision medicine, tailors healthcare to each individual's unique genetic makeup. In agriculture, genomics is used to improve crops and livestock. By understanding the genetic makeup of plants and animals, scientists can breed varieties that are more resistant to disease, yield more food, and adapt better to changing environments. This helps ensure food security for a growing global population. Genomics also helps us understand evolution. By comparing genomes from different species, scientists can trace how organisms have changed over time. This reveals the genetic basis for adaptation and diversity in the natural world, giving us a deeper appreciation for the complexity of life. With great power comes great responsibility. Genomics raises important ethical questions, such as privacy, consent, and the potential for genetic discrimination. It's crucial for scientists, policymakers, and the public to work together to ensure that genomic information is used responsibly and benefits everyone. The field of genomics relies on advanced technologies such as high-throughput sequencing, bioinformatics, and powerful computers. These tools allow scientists to analyze massive amounts of genetic data quickly and accurately, driving new discoveries every day. Bioinformatics is the use of computers and software to analyze genetic data. With the huge amount of information generated by genomics, bioinformatics helps scientists make sense of it all, finding patterns and connections that would be impossible to see otherwise. No two genomes are exactly alike. Genomic variation refers to the differences in DNA sequences between individuals. These variations can influence everything from physical traits to disease risk, making each person unique. Mutations are changes in the DNA sequence. Some mutations have little or no effect, while others can cause diseases or provide advantages. Understanding mutations is key to studying genetic disorders and developing new treatments. Epigenetics is the study of changes in gene expression that don't involve changes to the DNA sequence itself. Factors like environment, diet, and stress can influence how genes are turned on or off, adding another layer of complexity to genomics. Genomics plays a crucial role in understanding health and disease. By studying the genome, scientists can identify genetic factors that contribute to conditions like cancer, diabetes, and heart disease, paving the way for better prevention and treatment strategies. Pharmacogenomics is the study of how genes affect a person's response to drugs. This field helps doctors choose medications that are most effective and safe for each individual, reducing side effects and improving outcomes. Gene therapy is an exciting application of genomics. It involves introducing, removing, or altering genetic material within a person's cells to treat or prevent disease. While still experimental, gene therapy holds great promise for curing genetic disorders in the future. Genomic testing can reveal information about your ancestry, health risks, and even how you might respond to certain medications. These tests are becoming more accessible, but it's important to understand their limitations and the privacy issues involved. Genomics isn't just for scientists. From personalized nutrition plans to ancestry services, genomics is becoming a part of everyday life. As technology advances, we'll see even more ways genomics can improve our health and well-being. The future of genomics is bright. With ongoing research and technological advances, we can expect new breakthroughs in medicine, agriculture, and beyond. Genomics will continue to shape our understanding of life and open up new possibilities for improving human health. As genomics becomes more integrated into society, it's important to consider its social and cultural impacts. Issues like access to genomic medicine, education, and public understanding will shape how we use this powerful science in the years to come. With the rise of genomic data, privacy is a major concern. Protecting personal genetic information is essential to prevent misuse and discrimination. Laws and regulations are evolving to keep pace with these new challenges. Direct-to-consumer genomic tests are now widely available. These kits let people explore their ancestry, traits, and health risks from home. While convenient, it's important to interpret results carefully and consult professionals when needed. Genomics is a powerful tool in scientific research. It helps scientists study everything from rare diseases to the evolution of species. By analyzing genomes, researchers can uncover new knowledge and develop innovative solutions to global challenges. Genomics has played a key role in fighting infectious diseases. By sequencing the genomes of viruses and bacteria, scientists can track outbreaks, develop vaccines, and understand how pathogens evolve. This has been especially important during global health crises. Cancer is a genetic disease at its core. Genomics helps identify mutations that drive cancer, allowing for targeted therapies and better outcomes. This personalized approach is changing the way we diagnose and treat cancer. Many rare diseases are caused by genetic mutations. Genomics has made it possible to diagnose these conditions more accurately and quickly, giving hope to patients and families who previously had few answers. Mental health conditions can have genetic components. Genomics research is helping scientists understand the genetic factors involved in disorders like depression and schizophrenia, leading to new approaches for treatment and prevention. Nutrigenomics is the study of how genes affect our response to food. This field is paving the way for personalized nutrition plans that can help people eat healthier and prevent disease based on their unique genetic makeup. Genomics can also influence fitness. Some people may be genetically predisposed to excel in certain sports or respond better to specific types of exercise. Understanding these factors can help tailor fitness plans for optimal results. Aging is influenced by both genetic and environmental factors. Genomics research is uncovering the genes involved in aging, which could lead to interventions that promote healthy aging and longevity. Genomics plays a role in reproductive health, from understanding inherited conditions to improving fertility treatments. Genetic screening can help prospective parents make informed decisions and reduce the risk of passing on certain diseases. Forensic genomics uses DNA to solve crimes and identify individuals. This powerful tool has revolutionized criminal investigations and even helped solve cold cases that were unsolvable for decades. Conservation genomics helps protect endangered species by studying their genetic diversity. This information guides breeding programs and conservation efforts, ensuring the survival of species at risk of extinction. Microbial genomics studies the genomes of bacteria, viruses, and other microorganisms. This field has led to new antibiotics, better understanding of the microbiome, and improved public health strategies. Environmental genomics examines how organisms interact with their surroundings at the genetic level. This research helps us understand how pollution, climate change, and other factors affect ecosystems and biodiversity. Synthetic biology combines genomics with engineering to design and build new biological systems. This innovative field has applications in medicine, energy, and environmental sustainability. Genomics generates massive amounts of data. Managing, analyzing, and interpreting this big data is a major challenge, but it also offers incredible opportunities for discovery and innovation. Artificial intelligence (AI) is increasingly used in genomics to analyze complex data and find patterns. AI can help predict disease risk, discover new genes, and accelerate research in ways that were previously impossible. Education is key to unlocking the potential of genomics. By teaching students and the public about genomics, we can inspire the next generation of scientists and ensure that everyone benefits from this powerful science. Policymakers play a crucial role in shaping the future of genomics. By creating laws and guidelines, they help ensure that genomic research and applications are ethical, safe, and accessible to all. Despite its promise, genomics faces challenges such as data privacy, ethical concerns, and unequal access. Addressing these issues will be essential for the responsible and equitable use of genomic science. Genomics holds incredible promise for improving health, understanding life, and solving global challenges. By continuing to explore and innovate, we can unlock new possibilities for ourselves and future generations. We've covered the basics of genomics, from DNA and genes to the latest technologies and applications. As this field continues to grow, staying informed and engaged will help you make the most of what genomics has to offer. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of genomics.